today's video, I'm going to do a DIY jiggly slime. I am going to act like I'm doing a tutorial, even though most of you guys probably know how to make that kind of slime. And sorry if I sound weird, I've been sick this past week, and I still have some sickness in my system. Yeah, let's get on with the video. So of course, the first thing I'm gonna do is pour in glue, and I actually put a lot into this bowl because I'm going to add it to my big batch of slime. And then I add shaving cream, and this is completely optional, I just want it to make it more fluffy. And then I add lotion, and that's to make it more stretchy. And I add baby oil, that's completely optional also. It's just to make it more, smooth and glossy. So that's why I added just a little bit to make it like jiggly slime. And then after you add in water, you're going to, of course, mix it and then add borax into, or add your activator, just add little by little so that it won't be too rubbery. And then you just keep mixing, and then when you think it's time for you to knead it, go ahead and knead it. And then just add little by little of your activator until you have the kind of slime you want. This is probably weird, but I'm adding my mixture onto my table so that I can knead it better, and if you don't want to do that, that's completely fine. It's just I did it so that my slime will come together. And if you don't want to do it because it's too messy, I completely understand. I just do this on the table so that it's just, easier to mix.
To be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
I forgot to film an outro, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video.